For emissions testing, gas and smoke analyzers can be directly connected to the Dynamometer software for display and saving of data. The data is stored along with the other dynamometer factors, so you can look at things such as burst emissions during accelerations, or it can be analyzed statistically in order to give the grams per kilometer emissions for emissions conformity testing. Drive cycle testing is very easy. Any arbitrary drive cycle can be entered into the computer. The vehicle operator then follows that drive cycle, and now your emissions or energy consumption are measured on the given drive cycle. All of our dynamometers can be made available with heavy-duty frames and roller casters for above-ground mounting for easy storage, or alternatively, they can be placed into a pit in the floor. This gives a very clean installation where the dynamometer takes up very little floor area.